Hello, welcome to HindlePower University. Today's how-to video is going to be on how to start up your AT series charger and also go through the front panel operation. Step 1, we want to think about location. All AT chargers are convection cooled, so we want to make sure when you mount your charger that it's in a well ventilated area. You want to leave about 6 inches on all sides that are vented. Step 2, it's all about safety. We want to make sure that all AC and DC sources are disconnected and locked out. Step 3, we want to start making our electrical connections. We want to start by running our AC source voltage to the battery charger's I/O panel. We also want to verify that AC voltage with the battery charger's input voltage. There's 2 ways you can check this. First, you want to look, every charger will have 2 vanilla tags that are attached to the front door of the charger. One of these tags is a caution label that will have the AC voltage that it was tested for at the factory written on it. So you want to verify your source voltage with that voltage on the vanilla tag. Also, you want to verify that the vanilla tag matches the data nameplate of the charger. For a charger like this one, it's going to be on the side of the charger. For larger chargers, that data nameplate is going to be located on the door. So you want to verify your AC voltage matches on the vanilla tag, on the data nameplate, and it matches with your AC source voltage. Now that our AC power is connected, we want to continue on to the DC side. We want to connect our battery or DC bus to the I/O panel of the battery charger. We also want to verify this voltage with the charger's output voltage. So we want to check again on our tags on the front of the charger. We have a notice tag that has the float and equalized voltage for that battery charger and what it was tested at when it left our facility. We want to make sure also that we check the data nameplate of the charger, which will be again located either on the side or on the front of the charger. We want to make sure the voltage on that data nameplate matches our vanilla tag and also matches your DC bus. Again, it's always important to check with your battery manufacturer for what the charger should be charging at, and then you can set it up for that voltage. Step 4, starting the charger. First, we want to turn on the DC disconnect that's between the battery and the battery charger. Next, we want to proceed and turn on the DC circuit breaker that's on the battery charger. Once we do this in a real situation with a battery connected, the battery voltage will come up and display on the battery charger. Next, we want to go to the AC side. So we want to turn on the AC disconnect that's located between your AC source and your battery charger. Next and final step would be to turn on the AC circuit breaker on the battery charger. You'll see that the AC indicator light turns on and the charger is going to start up. Step 5, setting the parameters. Now that our battery charger is up and running, we can go in and adjust all the standard set points using the front panel. To begin, we want to press the Edit Enter key. The first parameter is the float voltage. The red DC volts LED will flash, the green float LED will flash, and the LED display will flash the float voltage. Press the up and down arrow keys to adjust the set point. Press the Edit Enter key and you will save your changes and go on to the next parameter. The next parameter is the equalize voltage. The red DC volts LED will flash, the yellow equalize LED will flash, and the LED display will flash the equalized voltage. Press the up and down arrow keys to adjust the set point. Press the Edit Enter key and this will save your changes and go on to the next parameter. The next parameter is the equalize timer hours. The red equalize hours remaining LED will flash. The yellow LED's manual timer and auto equalize timer will flash, and the LED display will flash the equalize hours. Press the up and down arrow keys to adjust the set point. Press the Edit Enter key, and this will save your changes and go on to the next parameter. The next parameter is the high DC voltage alarm. The red DC volts LED will flash. The red high DC voltage LED will flash. And the LED display will flash the high DC voltage alarm. Use the arrow keys to adjust the set point. Press the Edit Enter key, and this will save your changes and go on to the next parameter. The next parameter is the low DC voltage alarm. The red DC volts LED will flash. The red DC volts alarm LED will flash. And the LED display will flash the low DC voltage alarm. Press the up and down arrow keys to adjust the set point. Press the Edit Enter button, and you will save your changes and go on to the next parameter. The final parameter is the current limit. The red DC amps LED will flash, and the LED display will flash the limit settings. Press the up and down arrow keys to adjust the set point. Press the Edit Enter key. The display will flash end, and now all your parameters are saved. You have successfully set up your AT series charger. If you need more information, please click on the links below.